Okay, so today program is program number 6, and today you have to do two program, not two, three program, because last lab you all having exam, so that's why today you have to do three program. Program number 1, sequential file allocation. So in this, what you have to do, first you have to enter the file name, block 50, second 60, enter the number of block 3. Okay, enter the file name, sorry, file name, start block 15. Okay, number of block 5. Okay, yani meaning is this is the program to enter the file name, but then you have to enter the block. After that you have to enter how many blocks in the file, so that it will compile all, yani it will store all these value. And after that, when you want to search any file, it will show you how many blocks in the file, how many blocks currently occupied. So this all information this Barnami will give you. Here you can see, here you are typing the name of the file, then here you are typing from which the block will start. Here you are typing where the number, how many number of block. Okay, after that if you want to search any file, then you will write the name. So this is the command code how you will write. After that, if you want to search the file name, then it is strcomp, string compare. Yani you are comparing the file name with the actual file stored in the memory. This this one FTI name. This is same like in which the file are stored. See this, it is a pointer in which the files are stored. After that, it is all printing the result. So now we will go to on works. Okay, then we will go to Ubuntu, start. Okay, here you have to open first the Mozilla Firefox, then you have to write down here EASY easy upload.io slash XCBV48. File not found. Okay, wait, I will first easy upload.io. Hmm. It is easy upload.io. Name is 253 x Here you will write 253 x64. And now the file is available, you can download. Okay, this is your lab manual. This is the today program number 6. Go to terminal, then you have to write what you have to write. GEDIT aliyom is 6.c. Jadid window open. In that control V. Now here see some error. This lazim jadid line. This also lazim jadid line. This also lazim jadid line. And I think rest is good. Rest is having no problem. Okay. Okay. Now after that, Ravi Tahat 4, Control C, Control this, okay. You will save it, then close it, then you will open terminal. Here you have to type. Here today is different. You have to type GCC, okay, GCC compiler and global C compiler, yani p6.c मतलब name, then dash o, then p6. Line number 218. Okay, there is a khata in line number 2. Line number 2, conio. What is conio? Conio dot c nio conio dot h string. Okay, then I have to write dot slash p6 dot c dot slash p6 dot c. Permission denied. Okay, permission denied. माफी से तो बस p6. Okay, now it is running. Number of file, let's say we will take Talata file. File number 1 we will uktub ism a, then enter the starting block let's say 40. Number of block in the file, let's say 4. File number इतने, let's say ना ism B 55. File number पलाता ism C, here 60, here 6. Okay, enter the file ism to be searched. Let's say I want to search for the file ism C. Then see, it is showing C, yani it is having 60 blocks, and it contain number of blocks 6, and it is stored from 60, 61, 62 up to 65. Okay, students. So this is the program first to store the file, to store the blocks of the file, and after that if you want to search the file, then it will show you how many block maujood and what is the current location of that block into the memory. Okay student, any problem in this? Understand? From the Barnami you will students understand. माफी उक्तुब this, delete this conio. When you uktub program 6.1, delete this, include conio.h. Okay, and when you are typing, remember here, see here only uktub p6, माफी uktub p6.c. Okay, this is different. This is the command. This is 6.1. Now we will go for 6.2, file allocation. Okay, we first run this program, then we will see what is the current working. Go to the gedit p62.c, control v. Okay, then here we have to see this is scanf lazim in the new line, and this for also lazim in new line, and then this is scanf also in the new line. This break new line, and this for also in the new line, and I think ft. Okay, this okay for after that at akhir itna bracket. Okay, save, close. Now for this you will go to terminal and you will type gcc space file name is p62.c space dash o space p62, enter. If I think no error, there is no error, so after that you will type dash slash p62, enter. Now he is asking how many number of file. Let's say here we have number of file 2. He is asking file name 1 is a, number of block in the file, let's say 3, enter the blocks in the file. Okay, now you have to enter the blocks, let's say 1 1 2 2 3 3, 3 blocks you have to enter. File is Santani B, number of blocks in the file, let's say arba blocks. So he is asking to write down the number of block, let's say 56, 36, 88, 99. These are the 4 blocks. enter the file name to be searched. Now we want to search for file ism A. Now see, we have entered the block 11, 22 and 33. Now the same block is stored in the computer memory. Okay, in the Gadim program, it is taking automatic random blocks. But in Jadid, this program, yani program 6.2, it is taking the what you will type the block, he is taking the same. Let's say here you type C 11, 22, 33. So he is taking the same block here. Okay, now student, any problem? This understand? Okay, students. Okay. Now I will explain this program. This program is same Gadim program. Only here the difference is you are entering the number. You are entering the number of the block. So for that, this is the code for j equal to 0. Yani whatever you type in the block, it will go to the pointer. So it will go to FTI and blocks G. Okay, student, this is 6.2. Now you will run this 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, run only two program today, huh? 6.1, 6.2.